Hello everybody and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about JobNimbus app from our workflow app. JobNimbus is a beautiful app that's going to help you automate different actions such as to create an updated task, a contact, to create activity, a file from URL, to create an updated job directly from your workflow app in GHL into your JobNimbus platform. So how do we set this up? First and foremost, make sure you connect on JHL Plugins account. And if you're a new member here, by the way, welcome JHL Plugins. Make sure your agency is linked to JHL Plugins. So in order to do that, you just have to come up here, I link accounts, and then you come down here, I link agency. You open a new window leading to marketplace where you will have to select the agency that you want to link to a JHL Plugins account. And when you're done with it, you check some boxes allowing access or sub account in your agency and also to enable automatic future installation in order to make sure that our tool continue working with the existing sub account as well as future ones. Once you're done with it, you automatically send back to JT plugins. This time to select the workflow apps. Let's go on workflow apps. As you can see, we have available apps and install apps. If this is your first experience here in this platform, you're going to have to search for the app here. But since the app is already installed, or if the app is already installed, you just have to come here at install apps. So we're going to type JobNimbus. Bingo. We have JobNimbus. If JobNimbus is not already installed yet, in order to get JobNimbus installed into your agency, I just have to go on setup, and it's the same process. You just have to select the agent. You just have to select the agency where you want the tool to be installed, and giving all access to all sub accounts and also to future ones. Once you're done with it, you have to copy the custom menu link. Actually, this is a one-time action. So if you're a new member here, you just have to copy and go and paste it on your agency only once. So let's do it. Let's copy the custom menu link and we switch to the agency level. There you go. We come down here at settings and we look for custom menu link. So we go and create new. Perfect. Here, what you just have to do is to select the appropriate icon for your custom menu link. We have different icons here. You select one and you type the name for your custom menu link. And here you paste the custom menu link that you copied from GHL plugins. You check some preferences, and once you're done, you save. And you switch your sub account to make sure the app's connected to your JobNimbus account. Let's go at my apps. So let's look for the app. We have apps available and connected apps like in JJ plugins. Since the app is already connected here, we just have to come here at the connected apps and type JobNimbus. Perfect. So this time we wanna connect the tool to our JobNimbus platform. So how do we go about it? We go on setup to generate the API key. So how do we get the API key? We just have to switch to our JobNimbus platform, and we come up here, the profile, and you come down at settings. We look for API here, and we just copy and we go and paste it, and we submit. Great. So guys, we just connected our tool to our JobNimbus platform. Now we're able to go on our workflow and test some actions. Guys, that's about it. And if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out our support team who is available 24/7. You can leave some comments also on our Facebook page, JHL Plugins. Thank you for watching and welcome to JHL Plugins.